Steak and mushroom sauce. This is one of those dishes that I love to make when friends come over for dinner or when we feel like having some red meat, but without having to sort of do a big roast or a stew. The mushroom sauce is made from scratch and it's super simple. It's got a few little ingredients that give it that lovely umami flavor. I like to use some Worcestershire sauce and some soy sauce, in addition to mushrooms themselves being very flavorful. And I use a little bit of light cream to give it that velvety texture. It doesn't have a lot of flour or too much butter or anything else. So it's actually quite a light mushroom sauce and it goes so well with a beautifully cooked steak. I keep it very simple. It's just seasoned with some salt, pepper. I like to add a little bit of rosemary to the butter and olive oil to give it a little bit of flavor. But other than that, it's just getting really good red meat and cooking it just right. I like my steak medium, so we'll do about 3.5 minutes on each side. And make sure to rest it for a couple of minutes before you slice it. Top it with that beautiful mushroom sauce, and you have an amazing restaurant-worthy dinner on the table in 30 minutes. So delicious.